Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ.
Hi, Jennifer. Hi, everyone.
I'm Jennifer.
I'm Jack. It's wonderful to be here with all of you today.
I'm happy to hear that, Jack. You look very energetic today. Big smile.
Yes, I have my coffee, the sun is shining, I'm ready to talk.
How are you, Jack? You seem full of energy.
Well, I am okay, but I'm a little slow today.
Oh no, why? Did you sleep well?
I slept okay, but I went to bed very late last night.
Late? How late?
I was watching a movie, then reading a book, and suddenly it was 2 a.m.
2 a.m.? Wow, that is very late. And you? When did you sleep?
10 p.m.
10 p.m.? That is so early. You are like a grandfather, Jennifer.
Maybe, but I love the morning, and I love the night, too.
Ah, yes. Quiet and the moon.
Perfect. That is today's topic.
Yes. Today, we talk about being a morning person or a night person.
That's a great topic. Very common to talk about in English.
It is. But wait, before we start, we must say something to our listeners.
Oh, yes, good idea. Everyone, if you like our podcasts, please click the like button.
It helps us a lot.
And please subscribe to English Podcast with FTJ.
We want to make many more episodes for you.
And if you have a friend learning English,
Share this podcast with them. Learning with a friend is more fun.
exactly.
Okay, Jack, let's talk about you. You said you sleep at 10 p.m.
Yes, and I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
Even on weekends?
Yes, Saturday, Sunday, always 6 a.m.
6 a.m.? That is scary. What do you do at that time?
It's not scary, it is beautiful. The world is quiet. I get out of bed and drink a big glass of water.
Water? Not coffee?
First water, then coffee. I go to the window and open it.
Ah, I see.
I love the cold air, the sun coming up. It makes me feel alive.
At 6 a.m., I am in very deep sleep.
Really?
Yes, if my alarm goes off at 6 a.m., I am very angry.
I understand. Many people are like that.
But for me, the morning is my best time. I feel smart.
Smart?
Yes, I can work, exercise, and think clearly.
Interesting. I'm the opposite.
Oh?
In the morning, my brain is off, like a computer starting very slowly.
A slow computer. That's funny.
My brain turns on around 10 a.m.
But at night?
At 9 or 10 p.m., I have a lot of energy, very creative.
Wow, at 9 p.m., I just want to relax on the sofa.
At 9 p.m., I want to clean, write emails, talk to friends.
I see. We have names for these types of people in English.
Yes, a person like me is an early bird. Do you know that expression?
Yes, early birds wake up early and sing.
And a person like you?
A night owl?
Yes, night owl. Owls stay awake all night.
That's a good one. I am a night owl.
Perfect. So, Jennifer, what are the good things about being an early bird?
Okay, tell me, why is it good to wake up early?
First, you have more time. At 6 a.m., I have 3 hours before work at 9 a.m.
3 hours. Wow.
I can do many things. Healthy breakfast, walk in the park,
Healthy breakfast? What do you eat?
eggs, toast, fruit, and I eat slowly without a hurry.
That sounds nice. And you, when you wake up?
I wake up at 8:30 a.m. I jump out of bed, wash my face, run to work, always in a hurry. Oh no, that sounds stressful, Jennifer.
It is. I don't have time for a big breakfast.
What do you eat then?
Just coffee and a small cracker.
See, that's why being an early bird is good.
Okay, you win the breakfast point.
But what about the night?
At night, the world is peaceful.
No calls, no work messages.
It's my time, my quiet time.
That is true.
I can watch a movie or study English.
Many listeners study at night when the house is quiet.
If you have kids or a busy job, night is your only alone time.
Exactly.
And I love the city lights at night. Beautiful.
Morning sun is too bright for my eyes.
You need sunglasses in the morning.
Yes, I do.
So, Jack, can a night owl become an early bird?
That's a hard question.
Can we change a little?
Yes, a little is possible.
Do you have tips? I want to wake up at 7 a.m., not 6.
Okay, 7 a.m. is a good goal.
Good.
First tip, don't use your phone in bed.
Oh, I do that every night. Look at photos and videos for an hour.
That's the problem. The light tells your brain it's daytime.
Ah, so my brain stays awake. No phone in bed. Got it.
Second tip, go to bed 15 minutes earlier each night.
Small steps. I can do that.
Yes, don't try to change everything at once.
For example?
If you sleep at 1 a.m., try 12:45 tonight, 12:30 tomorrow.
15 minutes. Small step. Easy.
And in the morning, open your curtains immediately.
Sunlight helps your body wake up.
No phone, small steps, sun. I will try.
But Jack, what about staying awake at night?
Ah, good question. Sometimes I need to stay up for a party or a meeting.
Yes, me too.
I need a nap.
A nap? Short sleep in the afternoon?
Yes, 20 minutes at 3 p.m. keeps me awake until midnight.
Not longer?
2 hours and I wake up feeling like a different planet.
Oh, yes, that feeling.
Also, I drink green tea in the evening.
Just a little caffeine, not like coffee.
It works well.
What about work? Are offices hard for night owls?
Yes, most offices start at 8 or 9 a.m.
9 a.m. is very early for a night owl.
I do my best work in the afternoon, 3 or 4 p.m.
I am very fast in the morning, but 3 p.m., I feel sleepy, need coffee.
See, we're all different. That's okay.
Why do you say that?
Because imagine if everyone was an early bird. At 9 p.m., all restaurants and shops would be closed. Everyone's sleeping.
That is true. We need night owls to work in hospitals, restaurants.
Or fly planes at night.
And early birds bake bread and start the news in the morning.
Good balance. We help each other.
I have a question. Do you think animals are morning or night people?
My dog is definitely a morning person. Wakes me at 6 a.m. for a walk.
My cat is a night owl, runs around at 3 a.m., very loud.
Your cat is just like you.
Yes, we stay awake together, team night owl.
Very funny.
What about food at night? Do you eat late?
No, dinner at 7 p.m. If I eat at 10, I cannot sleep.
Ooh, I love a late snack.
Sometimes at 11 p.m., I eat chocolate or toast. It makes me happy.
Chocolate at 11 p.m., Jennifer? You are very brave.
Yes, it is delicious. Probably not very healthy, though.
Well, we all have habits. I have my early coffee. You have your late chocolate.
Yes, that makes life interesting.
Let's think about our listeners. How can they say this in English?
Good idea. If you are an early bird, you can say, I am a morning person.
Or, I love to wake up with the sun.
And if you are a night owl, you can say, I'm a late riser.
Or, I'm more productive at night.
Productive is a great word. It means you get a lot done.
Yes, I am very productive at 7 a.m.
And I am very productive at 11 p.m.
Exactly. It's all about finding your best time.
This was such a fun chat, Jack. I feel like I understand you better now.
Me too, Jennifer. Even though you're a night owl and I'm an early bird, we are still great friends.
Of course, we just talk in the middle of the day.
Yes, the afternoon is the best time for us to meet.
Okay, Jack, let's remember the main ideas for our friends.
Great idea. First, I'm an early bird. I wake up at 6 a.m. and I love the sun.
And I am a night owl. I stay awake until 2 a.m. I love the quiet of the night.
Early birds have time for a healthy breakfast and a calm start.
Night owls have quiet time to be creative, study, or watch movies without stress.
I gave some tips for early birds: no phones in bed and wake up with sunlight.
And I gave tips for night owls. A 20-minute nap helps if you need to stay awake late.
The most important thing? Both are okay. Morning and night people make the world work well.
Yes, we are all different, and that is perfect.
Well, everyone, we hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
Yes, thank you for listening. It was so much fun.
Now we have a question for you. We want to read your comments.
Yes, tell us, are you an early bird or a night owl?
Or tell us what time you usually wake up. We want to know.
Please write your answer in English in the comments. It's great practice.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.
And please subscribe to Mr. English channel. It helps us make more episodes.
Thank you, everyone. You are amazing.
Yes, have a wonderful day or a wonderful night.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, everyone.